More losses in wheat and soybeans midweek. Michelle Rook is back to let us know if things could soon improve in Markets Now.
Grains ending mixed on Wednesday. John Heinberg with Total Farm Marketing is back with us. And John, corn, the only part of the grain complex that ended to the plus side. It was impressive considering we had new contract lows in the wheat market.
Yeah, the price action of corn over the last handful of days, including yesterday's close, has been pretty friendly. Even though despite we're not moving anywhere with that selling pressure we've seen into that wheat market, just kind of tells me that maybe we got a little bit of money flow into that positive side of that market here. Maybe it's driven by the demand. We'll see export sales later this morning. We've been seeing some solid numbers week over week there. And, just at a point too now, those bushels that had to move at the end of February there in terms of basis contracts are now kind of in the system, and the market's just kind of waiting for some more supplies. So been very happy with the corn market, at least holding in there, even though we're consolidating basically for 7 consecutive days between 420 and 430 on that May contract.
Yeah. So the wheat market, as I mentioned, new contract lows. Has that been technical selling, or is there more to it?
It's a combination of things. First off, we broke apart technically a couple of days ago, followed through with that, in yesterday's trade. But then we did hear some rumors that China may be pulling away from some of those U.S. wheat purchases from earlier in the year that gave that market so much boost. So we'll see if those validate themselves, obviously, as rumors. But you look at that spread between the Chicago May contract versus that July contract really moving about 7 cents wider. Kind of makes you wonder if something's going on the demand side of the equation. So now we'll have to see if that market can find some footing after a couple of very difficult days.
Soybeans, did we just see some Brazil hedge pressure today?
Yeah, I think the bean market's been holding in here actually fairly well, even though we're sliding a little bit again this week. But, we had the nice turn with the weekly close higher on Friday. First time we've done that in multiple weeks. Now we're still kind of just hanging in there, consolidating, pulling back a little bit. But I think that's hedge pressure coming in from Brazil. Obviously, they're about 50 to 60% maybe on that harvest right now. Their premiums are still significantly below the U.S. in terms of the export market, but that gap is narrowing. So that's a little bit of encouragement there.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us, John Heinberg with Total Farm Marketing. We'll have more AgDay coming up.